My name is Emily, and my Tuesday morning always starts with a dream of coffee. I am a proactive teacher, but I need a little bit of magic to wake up my brain. The city is still quiet, and the air feels fresh and a bit cold on my skin. I wear my favorite teal sweater because it is very soft and warm. I walk to a small, cozy place called the Golden Bean on the corner. The window of the cafe is large, and I can see the warm yellow lights inside. I see the menu board outside with many beautiful pictures of hot drinks. Logic tells me that a large latte is the best choice for a long day. I am satisfied with the quality of the morning sun and the peaceful street. I open the heavy wooden door, and a small bell rings above my head. The smell of roasted beans and sweet cinnamon fills the air immediately. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration as I step inside. The floor is made of dark wood, and the walls have many green plants. Everything looks organized, clean, and very high quality in this Disney world. I am satisfied with the stable and calm atmosphere of the empty cafe. I walk slowly towards the counter and look at the many jars of cookies. My brown eyes are bright because I am finally close to my favorite drink. I am a proactively acting woman, so I decide what I want very quickly. I see a young man behind the espresso machine who looks very busy. He has dark curly hair and wears a very professional leather apron. He is cleaning a silver steam wand with a clean white cloth. I feel the warmth of the coffee machines even from a small distance. Logic says that a good barista is like an artist with a silver brush. Every detail of the cafe is ultra-realistic, clear, and very beautiful. I am satisfied with the quality of this silent and cozy morning moment. The man looks up and gives me a very energetic and friendly smile. I am Emily, and I am ready to start my daily coffee adventure. He waits for me at the register, and I feel very welcome here. We are both very successful at enjoying our early morning rolls. We are moving to the counter to place my important order. I reach the counter and say good morning with a very warm smile. The barista's name tag says Leo, and he looks very happy to see a guest. Hello. What can I prepare for you on this beautiful day? He asks. His voice is deep, stable, and has a very pleasant and kind tone. I am satisfied with his professional behavior and his polite greeting. I tell him that I am a teacher and I have a very long day at school. Leo laughs and says that teachers are the most important people in the city. Logic tells me that a little bit of kindness makes every errand special. I am a proactive person, so I ask about the special coffee of the month. He explains that they have a new bean from Ethiopia with a berry flavor. He tells me that it is a high-quality product with a very unique taste. I am satisfied with the quality of his explanation and his mastery. Everything in the cafe looks organized, logical, and very positive. I decide to try a large latte with that special Ethiopian coffee. Leo writes my name Emily on a white ceramic cup with a black marker. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly flow of our conversation. He asks if I want any syrup or maybe some brown sugar in my drink. I choose a little bit of vanilla because I love the sweet aroma. I believe that the details are what make a simple cup of coffee perfect. The atmosphere is full of life and very happy sounds of the machine. My teal sweater is bright against the dark wood of the tall counter. Every second of our talk is useful and very interesting for me today. I am Emily, and I feel more energetic just by talking to Leo. I take out my small wallet to pay for the high-quality drink. I am satisfied with the price because the service is absolutely masterful. Leo takes the payment and starts to work on the espresso machine. I am a proactively thinking woman, and I enjoy watching his work. The sounds of the grinding beans are loud but very satisfying to hear. I feel very successful and happy with my choice of café today. We are moving to see the process of making the latte art. Leo takes a silver pitcher and fills it with fresh, cold milk. He uses the steam wand, and I see a lot of white, fluffy foam. Logic tells me that the temperature of the milk is very important. He is focused and very calm, showing his professional mastery today. I am satisfied with the quality of his movements and his concentration. Everything looks organized, stable, and very mastery in his hands. He pours the dark, rich espresso into my white ceramic cup carefully. Then, he starts to pour the white milk in a very thin and stable line. I watch him with wide, curious eyes as a heart appears on the surface. "This is ultra-realistic and very beautiful, Leo," I tell him softly. He smiles and says that every cup of coffee should be a small gift. I am satisfied with his creative and high-quality flow of work. I believe that art can be found in a kitchen or in a small coffee shop. The atmosphere is full of mutual respect and very quiet, warm joy. My brown eyes follow the white heart as it becomes perfect and clear. Every detail of the foam is visible and looks absolutely masterful. Leo puts the cup on a small wooden tray with a little spoon. I am satisfied with the proactive and neat way he presents my coffee. He also puts a small piece of dark chocolate next to the warm cup. I feel a lot of positive and creative inspiration from his kind gesture. I am Emily, and I feel like the luckiest teacher in the whole city. The sun is shining on the counter, making the silver machine glow. I take the tray and look for a quiet table near the big window. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we built at the counter. Every second of this morning is a high-quality memory for my mind. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to be today. I sit down and feel the warmth of the cup in my cold hands. I am a proactively acting woman, and I value these small moments. I am almost ready to taste my masterful and beautiful latte. We are moving to the first sip of the delicious morning drink. I hold the warm cup with both hands and smell the sweet vanilla. The first sip is absolutely perfect, creamy, and very high quality. Logic says that good coffee is the best fuel for a proactive teacher. I am satisfied with the taste because it is exactly what I needed. I look out the window and watch the people walking to their jobs. Everything looks organized, beautiful, and very peaceful in the street. I feel very stable and calm in this high-quality atmosphere today. Leo is cleaning some cups in the background, whistling a happy tune. I am a proactively thinking woman, and I feel very inspired today. My teal sweater is cozy, and the armchair is very comfortable for me. I take my small notebook and start to plan my English lessons. I want to teach my students some words about food and daily life. Every detail of my plan is logical, mastery, and very useful, I believe. I am satisfied with the quality of the silence and the soft music. The cafe is becoming busier, but I am in my own creative world. I eat this small piece of chocolate, and it is very rich and delicious. Every second of this break is ultra-detailed and full of positive vibes. I see a small bird sitting on the window ledge, looking at me curiously. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to be today. I am satisfied with the proactive and friendly communication of the shop. Leo stops for a second and asks me if the coffee is good for me. I give him a big thumbs up and tell him it is the best latte. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection we share today. He smiles and continues his work with even more energy and joy. I believe that being kind to people makes the coffee taste even better. The atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative inspiration. I am Emily, and I feel very successful and happy with my morning. The sun is higher now, and the day is becoming bright and golden. I am a happy woman with a very clear and stable goal for my work. We are moving to the final minutes of my coffee time. I finish my latte, and the white heart is still visible on the bottom. I am satisfied with the quality of the drink until the very last drop. Logic tells me that I have enough energy to teach 5 classes today. I am a proactive person, so I start to pack my pens and my book. I stand up and walk towards the counter to return my wooden tray. Leo is already waiting with a clean cloth and a friendly "How was it?" I tell him that the Ethiopian beans are truly mastery and very delicious. He says he is happy that I enjoyed the special flavor of the month. I am satisfied with the proactive and neat service of the Golden Bean. We talk for another minute about our favorite places in the city. Felix tells me that he loves the park and the old stone bridge nearby. I tell him that I often walk there with my book on Saturday mornings. Logic says that a good cafe is a great place to meet interesting people. Every detail of our talk was high quality, mastery, and very pleasant. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we built this morning. Leo says he will prepare a different latte art for me next time. I am a proactively acting woman, so I promise to come back tomorrow. I feel very energetic and ready for the new working day at school. My teal sweater is bright, and I feel very professional and strong. I take my bag and walk towards the door with a big, happy smile. The atmosphere is very stable, safe, and full of positive energy. Every second of this visit was a high-quality gift for my story. I am Emily, and I am proud of my simple and powerful routine. I wave my hand to Leo, and he waves back from his machine. Subsurface scattering on the glass door makes it look real and clear. I believe that every small errand can be a beautiful and real journey. I am satisfied with the quality of the life I have in this busy city. The street is full of people now, and the sun is warm on my back. I am a happy woman with a very clear and stable goal for my day. We are moving to the final walk to the school entrance. I am walking to the school, and I feel very proactive and successful. The coffee is working, and my mind is full of many creative ideas. I am satisfied with the quality of the morning I spend at the cafe. I reach the school gates and see my students waiting for me there. They all say "Good morning, Miss Emily," with very loud voices. Logic tells me that a happy teacher makes a very happy classroom. I am a proactive woman, so I start the lesson with a funny story. I tell them about Leo, the coffee heart, and the Ethiopian beans. They look interested and ask many questions about the coffee shop. I am satisfied with the mastery of my internal logic and my teaching. Everything looks organized, stable, and very mastery in my room. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration from the kids. We are happy that we can share such personal and important topics. Every detail of the classroom is ultra-detailed, and masterful. I am proudly sharing my simple and powerful story of connection today. My brown eyes are bright as I write new words on the whiteboard. I believe that our internal logic is the real goal to success, proactive. The atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative inspiration. Highly detailed characters are satisfied with the stable horizontal bond. The sun is shining through the window, making the room look golden. Logic says that every second of our lives is a high-quality gift. I am Emily, and I am looking forward to my future, masterful logic. Every detail of my day was a high-quality adventure, full of real joy. I am satisfied with the quality of the connections I built this morning. Tomorrow I will see Leo again and try a new type of coffee. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we have in this city. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical. I am Emily, and my masterful story about buying coffee ends now. Good night, city, and thank you for the magic, the beans, and friends. I am ready for the new dreams and the new healthy morning.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.